This is ready to install. So this is what I did, just put Velcro on there. That way all the carpet's removable in case it gets damaged or for cleaning or whatever. So yeah, just put some Velcro strips on there. And this binding is just glue in. It has adhesive on it, but I don't think it works too good. So for anything on this, that's what I used. The Weldwood Landau top and trim. Contact cement. Works really good. Yeah, getting ready to put a bead of RTV under this and rivet it in. Little trick when you're drilling stuff up like this. I've got the carpet in there and I've peeled it back, but I don't want metal shavings all over everything, so reverse run some painter's tape and that will catch probably 95% of the filings. Makes cleanup a little easier. Riveting in the under door panel on the driver's side. And I had the realization that this is the last bunch of rivets that I have to put in this car. And a lot of rivets. Yep, that's a lot of rivets in this car. Last rivet. Yay! What that looks like installed with the Velcro. And that's what the carpet looks like before it goes in with Velcro on it. Even though this binding isn't sew in, as long as you glue it in with a strong contact cement, it seems to hold really well. I think it looks pretty good. That's what the passenger side ended up looking like. Yeah, it just finishes it off a little bit. So that's in, the carpet's in, and then there's a trim piece that gets put on here, but as you can see, this panel is the same height as there in that one spot. It's about, I don't know, about 3 inches long. So what I did on the passenger side, instead of cutting the panel out and having this sit down in there, I just trim the edge of that up, so when it sits there, it'll be flush on the outside. And then I put a little bit of clear RTV in the top of that, and then just taped it down overnight. So seemed to work on the passenger side. I think you can see it. Yeah, same spot right about there.